Welcome my channel CSC Education. Myself Shubhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss the topic transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose? Let and joins A is the matrix of A I J, B A M by N matrix, then the transpose of the matrix A denoted by A transpose or prime. So suppose A equals to Aij of M by N matrix, then that transpose, this implies that A transpose equals to here A J I in the N by M matrix. Okay. So one example is there. Suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the transpose equals to, what is the transpose? Firstly, transpose is the first converter. Suppose A is the matrix in the M row N column, then transpose is converted to row into column or column into row. Okay, so that here 1, 2 is the row, 3, 4 is the another row. Okay, so A transpose, that means in the row part first suppose converted 1, 2, that means here 1, 2 in the column. Nextly 3, 4, here 3, then value is 4. That is the transpose of a matrix. Okay, so some properties of the transpose of matrix. Properties transpose of a matrix. Firstly, property number 1, A is the matrix. Suppose the transpose, then again transpose of this value is A here. Let us examples. A equals to A, B, C, D, suppose is the matrix, then A transpose firstly converted, then value is here A, then B, then C, then D here, row into columns. Again transpose of this vector. So here now A, C, D, then D. So here verify A transpose of transpose is A. Okay. Property number 2. Suppose some scalar, that is the K. A is the matrix, then transpose. So scalar is the common, then transpose of the given matrix. Scalar transpose not here. Okay. Then third property. Suppose two matrix A plus B in the addition part, then transpose, this value equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. Fourth one, that is a very important property. A and B are multiplied together, two matrix, then transpose. So here B transpose multiplication of A transpose. Okay. I put this property in a questions. Okay. So question is, suppose verify that or verify A, B is the multiplication, this value equals to B transpose multiplication of A transpose. Okay. If A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, then B the matrix 2, 1, 3, 1, suppose, then verify this bit. So answer is here. Firstly given data is A, given A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and P equals to 2 1 3 1. Okay. So first in the left hand side factor AB the multiplication, AB the multiplication equals to transpose. Firstly, sorry, AB multiplication 1 2 3 4. Just write this. The multiplied of 2 1 3 1. By the rules of multiplication of matrix, first we will check the given matrix are multiplied or not. Firstly, in the first matrix, number of elements in the row, then same in the number of elements in the second matrix. Here 1 2 two elements are there. In the column of second matrix is 2 3 two elements are there. Okay, so here multiplication is possible. This factor equals to 1 multiple first row first column, that means 1 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 here. Okay, nextly 1 into first row second column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Then 3 into 2 second row first column, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. Okay, so here value is 2 plus 6, value is 8. 1 plus 2, value is 3. 6 plus 12, value is 18. 3 plus 4, value is 7. Okay, so here AB transpose. So AB now. So AB transpose. Transpose is this factor 8 3 18 7. Thus transpose. The transpose of matrix is your row first row 8 3 here 18 7. Row change into column. So in the left hand side is complete. Nextly, the next side P transpose A transpose, that means transpose of two matrices. First of all, A transpose equals to here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that means transpose this value equals to 1 2 3 4. Clear that? Then P transpose equals to 2 1 3 1. So here transpose is 2 1 3 1. Okay. Nextly, P transpose multiplied of A transpose. P transpose multiplication of A transpose. Here not first A transpose then P transpose multiplications. Okay. So here firstly P transpose then A transpose. So value is 2 3 1 1 multiplied of 1 3 2 4. Yes. So here first check multiplication possible or not. Here first element of the matrix 1 2 3 two elements are there. Second, check just column elements. First column elements is 1 to 2 elements. So check this. So here multiplication is 2 into 1 first row first column, 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2 value is 6, 2 into 3 value is 6, 3 into value 4 plus 12. Okay, next first second row first column, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 is 2, sorry 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 value is 2, 1 plus 2 value is 3, so 1 plus 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 value is 4. This value equals to 8, value is 18, value is 3, value is 7. So therefore A B transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Verify that. Today I have discussed the topic transpose of a matrix and their properties and some problems. Okay. Share my channel and comment my channel. Then next video or better video are given to us. Okay, thank you.